Today's idiom is, it just hit me, or it just hit him, her, etc. Here's the meaning. It just hit me means to realize something suddenly. As usual, watch the following clip from the film The Peanuts movie to see and hear it being used.
This could be the worst thing that's ever happened to her. Linus, it just hit me. I think I know how to become her hero.
And here are a few extra sentences for you to see it being used more. Number 1. I took the car keys, heading to the garage, when it hit me. My car was at the mechanic's. Number 2. I was talking to him but he wasn't replying, and then it hit me. My microphone wasn't switched on. Number 3. No one came to the door when I knocked it, and then it hit me. I'd forgotten they were away for the weekend. So thanks again for watching the video, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified about all our newest video releases. Till next time, bye!